is Marty from Marty Moments.
Stop!
Welcome here at Marty Moments on Motorcycles. Thanks for stopping by and turning me on. I want to show something exciting today. People have been asking for months about these African twins. For whatever reason, it's getting popular again. So let me show you a few features and benefits of the African twin right now and try to make you a new winner on a new bike, okay? Let's go. And before I show you these units, I want you to go to my Instagram and hit the like and subscribe to us. And if you have questions and stuff in the future you want to know about, let me know. Anyway, here we are. We're looking at a couple of adventure bikes. They're the same manufacturers, Honda. You have an African Twin Adventure and the standard African Twin. Now, both of these are different in a lot of ways, and let me just show you a few differences. When we're looking at the white one here, this is a standard. It is a clutch model. So the other one, Adventure, I have it in a DCT model, and I'll show you what that means in a moment. So here we go. You have less features. You have a basic motorcycle that's made into an adventure bike. You still have the high travel, you still have the lightness, the big gas tank and all that, but it won't have the same features this has because this is an adventure model. So let's go over here and look at this adventure model here for a moment and show you some differences. The African Twins Adventure has, again, as a standard would, a 21-inch wheel, but this has a tubeless tire with the spokes on the outside, so it's not going to damage the tire. You have a lot more protection on this bike. This has a small protection. This has a lot of wind protection. You have, this is a DCT model, which means dual clutch transmission. And you'll see down here where it says dual clutch transmission, this has the ability to be an automatic as well as paddle shift. Come down here, look at this. This is the paddle shifter. So just like a car, you go up through the gears and down through the gears, all right there at a push button control. You also have on this model a speed control, and you can set your speed at wherever you want. And that way your hand will be free and not be wearing out your arm or hand. Both bikes have the ability to give you a little more comfort on the seat with lowering or raising 1 inch. Like me, I have short legs, so I have to lower this another inch just by taking this off and showing the little gadget makes it come down 1 inch, so I won't lose the travel, but I'll have more feet on the ground, okay? They both have this. The other thing we're looking at is the fact that this bike here has a little better rubber. It's not a universal tread, it's more of a cross between a street tire and a little dirt. You have all those features and benefits of a big bore like 101 horsepower, but you got 77 pounds of torque. So now you can bring a lot of bags, a lot of weight with this and not be bogged down by the power. I mean, it'll only do 125 miles an hour, but that's a lot of power for an adventure bike. It's going to go and take you anywhere you want to go, and you're going to have a 6.5 gallon gas tank that's going to give you plenty of range. Both bikes are home runs in the industry, and I've been getting a lot of people coming in after they've gone to other dealerships to see their bikes, coming back to our bikes wanting to buy these things. This is why I know this is a home run. So anyway, to get back to this, when you see bikes out there you don't know nothing about, call me and let me see, or text me and let me know about it so I can tell you a little bit about it so you can make a good decision in the future about the bike you're going to buy in the future. Alrighty? So thank you for watching. You're great people. Thank you a lot.